Well, I'm a cognitive scientist by training, right? I think, you know, knowledge involves things that involve knowers, involves brains, involves minds. And so I think these are incredibly powerful tools. And we're at a critical moment when we have to figure out how to use them for good rather than for evil, hence being concerned about governance and regulation and policy, especially coming out of the pandemic when you realize how powerful human-to-human interaction is, how we learn through much more than just language and words, through direct interaction. What we see happening in the world around the experiences of children who had to learn remotely, people have been isolated socially, young adults. To me, I think that it's not so much that AI is hype, because I think the technology and the power is there and it's going to continue to get better and it's going to change the world, but that it's not going to solve all of our problems.